Hello viewers! Today, we are covering the 5 best motorcycle tie-down straps on the market, which are the best for you considering some unavoidable factors that you might miss out without watching this video. Here, we are going to give you an impartial review to find the best from a plenty of irrelevant products. If you want more information and updated pricing of the products mentioned in the video, be sure to check the links in the description below. So, let's get started! Number 1. Our overall best pick for the money is Augo Ratchet tie-down straps. You can now travel with peace of mind and entirely focus on the road knowing that your motorcycle is safely secured in your trailer with these Augo straps. The straps are designed with industrial-grade standards, giving them the strength they need to hold your bike in place. These Augos are designed to withstand everyday tear and wear, and won't easily fray, even with regular use. We love the extended length of these straps, with each measuring up to 15 feet long. This ensures that you can use them to use tie-down motorcycles of different sizes, from the smallest to the tallest. Another fantastic thing about these straps is their S-shaped hooks, which feature rubber coating to help prevent possible scratching of your bike. Overall, this is one of the best tie-down straps deals you can get on the market today. The full package features 4 straps, so you have a set for both the front and rear of your bike. Several accessories are also included in the box, like the 2 high-quality bungee cords for your own convenience. Number 2. Our second best pick is Rhino USA Soft Loop Motorcycle Tie-Down Straps. Rhino USA is a trustworthy brand that has made a name for itself by consistently manufacturing quality products across the whole of the US. They accompany all their products with 100% satisfaction or your money back, which makes their tie-down straps a risk-free investment. These particular tie-downs feature new and improved build quality, which makes them superior to all their competitors. They're designed using a unique polyester/silk webbing blend, translating to the softest but toughest quality you've ever seen. Moreover, these straps have been lab tested and shown to have a maximum braking strength as high as 427 pounds. This simply means there's nothing the straps can't handle. Regarding size, these straps measure 17 in long by 1.65 in wide, plus 3.5 in premium diamond stitching section, which ensures extra security and peace of mind. Unlike the straps with S-hooks, which can easily damage your handlebars or swing arms, these soft straps will offer exceptional protection to your paint and chrome, and will let you create tie-down points even in tight areas where hooks can't fit. Number 3. Our third best pick is Augo Soft Loop Tie-Down Straps. Who doesn't want the real bang for their buck? This Augo pack right here is a value pack. It comes at an incredibly low cost while offering you up to 6 tie-down straps that you can keep on hand and use when the need arises. Like our previously discussed tie-down straps, these two feature top-quality construction for maximum strength and durability. The heavy-duty strap is constructed using quality polyester for extremely durable, long-lasting performance. Mind you, it features a truly impressive load capacity of up to 15,000 pounds and a maximum braking strength of 4,500 pounds. The fact that these are soft loop straps, with no hooks, means that it'll also help preserve your bike condition and prevent the possibility of scratching. Using these straps is straightforward. Each strap is designed to wrap around and inside itself, creating an instant soft tie-down point where you can easily attach your S or J hook. The straps can work with any type of tie-downs you have at hand. Because this is a multi-use tie-down straps, you can also use them to secure your ATV, UTV, scooters, wheelchairs, dirt bikes, lawn/garden equipment, and more. Number 4. Our fourth best pick is Rhino USA Motorcycle Tie-Down Straps. Like the previous Rhinos, these straps are also built to the highest quality standards and have been lab tested for a maximum brake strength of up to 3,328 pounds. So, you can drive with peace of mind knowing your motorcycle is well secured and safe through the trip. The heavy-duty straps feature an extra long, 8 feet, and thicker design, 1.6-inch thick, to give them the strength they need to handle different loads. The boas of stainless cam buckle tie-down set W/integrate soft loops, which some bikers prefer to the Ratchet straps. Note that the full bend S hooks come chrome-coated and feature spring-loaded keeper clips for the ultimate safety. Just like all its siblings, these Rhinos are also incredibly easy to use and will easily fit around all designs of handlebars, swing arms, tight spots, frames, and other tricky areas where regular hooks have a hard time getting into. With 100% manufacturer satisfaction guarantee, you can buy this package with confidence, knowing that you can always return it if it doesn't meet your needs. Number 5. Last but not the least, our 5th best pick is Sunferno Ratchet Straps Tie-Down. Unlike the average tie-down straps which break down after 6 months, this professional-grade Sunferno has a maximum hugging potential of 2,500 pounds and up to 1,250 load capacity, enabling it to survive through years and years of use. Even better, these tie-downs are customized to be incredibly easy and safe to use for you. They feature rubberized hooks and handles, which protects not only your hand but also your precious trailer from getting scratches that can leave it looking ugly. Another thing that sets these tie-downs from the rest is their unique hook design. While most straps feature open hooks, these Sunfernos come with closed hooks to prevent the webbing from slipping off the hook when you're driving. This will surely give you peace of mind knowing that your motorcycle will stay in place no matter how rough the road gets. Keep in mind that the strap's webbing has UV-resistant material plus strong sewing pattern for lifetime use. Since this package comes with 4 straps, you'll always have an extra set that you can give to your very best friend. So, grab this while you can. Be sure to check the links in the description below. That's all for this review. Feel free to share your feedback.
Like, comment and share our video. Do subscribe and hit the bell icon to get more videos like this in future. Thanks for watching.